What would you do if you were not afraid? Have you asked yourself that question? What would you do if you were not afraid? So I'm here to present to you a course that we are starting. It's going to happen on the 23rd of September 2024 on a Monday. It is a self-study course. It's going to help with your confidence. It is self-confidence course starting on the 23rd of September. So this is what is going to help you with. I'm going to list some areas or thoughts where you're going to rate yourself if you are really need this course, because I really think that everybody needs to go on this course, because we all go through some low self-esteem and low self-confidence at a certain points in our lives. So if this is you, really come and sign, because this is for you. So I'm going to share these 10 points, and please rate yourself. If you identify with any of these points, please come to this coaching session, come to this training. So this is a 14-day course, and it also comes with 3 coaching sessions to help you cement the change. 3 coaching sessions, 14 days self-study course, all happening on the 23rd of September. So here are the signs that you may have low self-esteem or lack confidence. You need this course basically. So you frequently have self-doubt. So that's number 1. You often second guess yourself, second guess your decisions and your abilities. You feel uncertain about your contribution at work. This can happen, whether you are new at work or you are a seasoned professional, you could have those self-doubt or those seasons where you feel, I would do it so that I can boost my esteem or boost my confidence. So this is a course for you. Number 2, you avoid challenges. So you may be asked to take on some projects at work, to take on some presentations to high level, senior staff. You may have a lot of fear about it. You fear a failure, you fear judgment. What will people think about me? What if I fail? So all of that is caused by your self-esteem or low self-confidence. So please come to this course. Number 3, you may have difficulties in accepting praise. So if this is it's always been you've been so uncomfortable with praise, uncomfortable with compliments, you feel discomfort. In fact, you dismiss this praise when people say, you actually did well there. You say, it's nothing, I got lucky. You do not acknowledge, you do not think that you are good enough. You need to come to this training. Number 4, you compare yourself with others. You compare yourself to other people. You regularly compare your performance to your colleagues. You always thinking that I should be like that person over there, because you feel not good enough. You really do feel not good enough. You have feelings of inadequacy. So this course is for you. Number 5, you fear speaking up in meetings. So it could be discussions at work, meetings. You're worrying so much about what others think of you. How do they perceive you? You fear, you overthinking. You think that your thoughts, your ideas are not good enough. So this course is for you. Number 6, you overly critical of yourself. So you tend to focus more on your mistakes and your shortcomings rather than recognizing your strengths and your successes. In fact, you do not think that you have any successes. You dismiss them. You're very critical. Everything matters, especially your weaknesses. This is the course that is going to help you get out of that, because I'm sure it's difficult to be you now. Very difficult. It's painful to live in that state. Number 7, you have difficulties in setting boundaries. So you struggle to say no. So therefore you tend to overcommit yourself. and you feel overwhelmed by a lot of work that you've said yes to. And this is also the course to help you get out of that painful cycle where you just keep taking more work and you keep setting yourself up for failure. For failure. Right. So number 8, you tend to feel undervalued. So in the workplace, you're feeling overlooked, undervalued, unappreciated. You tell people that. You say, I'm not appreciated there, I'm not appreciated, I'm not recognized. And if this is the case, we need to work on your esteem levels, we need to work on self-confidence, because there is a reason why they overlook you. There is a reason why they do not see you as a leader for now. They keep giving you some reasons and they say, you're not ready, you're not ready. So you need to come to this course. This course is for you. You avoid feedback. So that's number 9. You avoid feedback. In fact, you resist seeking or asking for feedback. You fear negative evaluation. So you shy away from those assessment that people do at the end of the year or mid-year. You just feel like this breaks your confidence. You do not bounce back from all of that. This course is for you because we help you with all this when we are doing this course, and also in the coaching sessions that you're going to receive. Right. And number 10, the last point is you even feel physical symptoms. You experience anxiety, you experience stress, you're feeling discomfort in the workplace. So this could be linked with your esteem, with your confidence as well. So if you identify with all of these signs, I mean, we've mentioned 10 of them, please consider starting to work on this. And maybe there is a reason why you are not where you are supposed to be. There is a reason why when you look at your peers and you feel like you are way behind, it is because of this confidence. And as a person who has worked with people for about 5 years now in this career coaching services, I've seen people, and you look at them and you listen to them, they have potential. They have lots of potential, but they are holding themselves back because of this esteem issue. This confidence is a big problem. They really could be far, but they are holding themselves back a lot. So you need to work on it, and hence we have started to do this course. And this course is going to happen every month. If you do not make it on the 23rd, please send me an email so that we can put you on the October, even November, or even next year. It's going to continue on twice in a month. This course is going to run. So please make sure that you sign up, you get on the waiting list, you get on our emails, our inbox, so that we know you and we can allocate you when the time is right. The course, as I said, it's going to run from next week on the 23rd for 14 days, and the coaching sessions, you can have them during the course or after the course. I mean, it's up to you. They are yours. They're part of the course. You need to deposit the deposit. We accept the deposit, and so that you can sign you in. So you're going to pay for the investment of this course overall 1,935. It's very discounted. You pay a deposit, and then we sign you up, and we pay the balance at a later stage. I will see you on the other side. If you need more information, we give you all the information before the course starts. So make no mistakes, you'll be more equipped with all the information that you need. My name is Patisa Nombakuse. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much for listening.